See the MotorVac ATF protectant application chart for the correct capacities. Fill the clean fluid tank to the correct level and type of ATF for the service. To perform an inline transmission exchange, locate the transmission cooler lines. Disconnect one of the lines with the easiest access point. Attach the appropriate adapters that will allow the TransTech4 to be in line with the transmission cooling system. Hook up the adapters to either end of the H adapter with the valve partially open. Start the vehicle and observe the fluid direction traveling through the H adapter. Once the flow direction has been determined, fully open the H adapter valve. The vehicle is now in bypass through the H adapter. Connect the TransTech4's battery cable to the battery of the vehicle being serviced. The TransTech4 defaults to inline service. Connect the inline return hose to the output side of the transmission on the H adapter. Connect the clean fluid to the other side. Close the H adapter valve. The vehicle is now in bypass through the TransTech4. Note that the start engine light is illuminated. Pressure should be present on the pressure gauge. If the start engine light is flashing and no pressure is present on the gauge, the hoses may be reversed. Add in the flush chemicals and follow the instructions on the bottle for idle time and any other special instructions required for the product. To begin the process, ensure the inline LED is illuminated. Press the Start Resume button to begin the service. The TransTech4 replaces the transmission fluid on a 1:1 ratio until the fluid in the clean tank reaches the 0 mark. You will see the fill and drain LEDs turn on for this process. You will also see the waste tank fill as the clean tank empties. Once the process is complete, the TransTech4's buzzer will sound and the unit will go into bypass. The low clean fluid and complete LEDs will be illuminated. Press any key to turn off the buzzer. With the vehicle still running, check the vehicle's dipstick to ensure the ATF is at the correct level. The drain and fill buttons are now active, and ATF can be added or removed to the exact level required. It is at this time additives, supplement, or protectants can be added. Turn off the vehicle. The TransTech4 and adapters can now be removed and the coolant hoses of the vehicle reassembled. Start the vehicle and check connections for leaks. The exchange is now complete. The MotorVac TransTech4 also gives the operator the ability to service the transmission filter or screen with a convenient drain pan feature. This feature drains ATF out of the drain pan, eliminating spillage when the pan is removed. The drain pan feature allows the operator to perform this additional service as part of the exchange process. With the TransTech4 connected to the transmission cooling lines and engine running, press Drain. When the transmission pan is emptied, ATF pressure in the machine drops, and a buzzer will sound. The low pressure fluid and stop engine lights will flash. Immediately turn off the vehicle's engine and press Stop to silence the alarm. You can now perform a spill-free drain pan service. When the filter change is complete, press the Start Resume button and the TransTech4 will refill the vehicle with the same amount of fluid removed. When the drain pan is refilled, the buzzer will sound and start engine light will flash. Start the vehicle. Press Start Resume button to begin the exchange. The remainder of the process is identical to the standard inline exchange. Exchange will continue to completion. Adjust ATF level as necessary. Turn off the vehicle.